we will call it as a type of organic reaction. This we have a lot of types of organic reactions that we will learn in this chapter. Okay, so we in introduction to organic chemistry, they have introduced 6 reactions. Okay, we will learn about these 6 reactions roughly only. Okay, roughly only. So the first one is going to be addition reaction. So the addition reaction happens for alkenes. Okay, whenever alkenes, we call it as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, they have double bonds. Okay, when they have double bonds, when I react with Br2, unsaturated hydrocarbons, they are very reactive. Okay, when they are reactive, the double bonds is going to be broken. So the Br will come over here, another Br will come over here. Okay, in a sense, if I put it in form of diagram, just assume the carbon double bond is like a person who's folding the hand, ready to form bonds. Okay, unsaturated. Okay, so whenever there is Br, okay, they are going to open the hand, okay, and allow the bonds to be formed. Okay, allows the bonds to be formed between Br and Br. But now, okay, from unsaturated, they are going to become saturated. There is no double bond. Okay, this is going to be one example that I can illustrate. Now, we have another type which is going to be known as elimination. Elimination reaction basically is involving removal of molecule. Okay, so you try to remove the molecule out. Okay, so we have different types of elimination. Even condensation reaction is also known as elimination reaction. You are removing something. So here, if you have alcohol, okay, if I use certain condition, concentrated sulfuric acid, we will learn about this also. What is happening is the H and OH is going to be removed. Okay, and when they are removed, okay, the double bond is going to be formed, and a molecule will be given away. So it's like similar. It's like similar to addition, but now it's going to be the other way around. It's like, imagine this is carbon-carbon single bond, and then they are bonded with H and OH. What happens? Okay, this bond and this bond is going to be broken. So they will come back to this, and then this H and OH will join together. So this is going to be the molecule that is going to be eliminated. Okay, so this is going to be elimination reaction. The next step is going to be substitution. Substitution always happen with alkane. Very common. Okay, very common. Let's say the example is going to be CH4 reacting with Cl2, okay, and then it's going to be UV light. And what happens is each of them, they have hydrogen. So what happens is now substitution means you are substituting. The Cl will substitute one of the H over there. So they will say, H, you go away. I'm going to take over your place. Okay, so Cl comes over here, and another Cl join with the H to give you HCl. So it's like this in diagram. Okay, C and H, they are joined together. They are happy. But okay, when the Cl comes, they eliminate this person, okay, and replace it with another person, which is going to be Cl. This is substitution. Okay. Now, another type is going to be hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is going to be a breakdown of molecule by using water. So you are using water to break down something. So the breaking down can be done in 2 conditions, can be acidic, can be alkaline. So if let's say I want to break down this molecule, okay, both also same molecule, I can use acidic form. In acidic form, only water will react. Okay, so when you have water, so what happens? The OH from water, they will somehow substitute the Br. Okay, it will somehow substitute the Br, and then the Br will come out. And then the remaining H from here, okay, they will join with HBr. So it means the HBr and then the OH will join over there. It's something like substitution, but we call it hydrolysis because it's like you are using water. It's like something like elimination also. You're removing HBr, okay, but we call it hydrolysis because it's breaking down of molecule using water. Sodium hydroxide, okay, if you're using under alkaline condition, hydrolysis, no need to show the water, okay, but the same, okay, the OH will come over here, OH will come over here, but now Br will not join with H, it will join with Na, so you have NaBr. All this we will learn later, okay, but this is hydrolysis reaction. And next one is going to be oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction is going to be loss of electron. Okay, if you want to remember oil rig, oxidation is loss of electron, reduction is gain of electron. But in this case, it will be much more easier to visualize saying that oxidation is the addition of oxygen atom, or you can say removal of H atom. Okay, so normally oxidation we just represent by this only. Okay, we just put like this bracket O, and then we say, okay, this one can be oxidized to what? Alcohol change into this molecule. Okay, this is going to be aldehyde. Okay, no need to know, but basically this is what's going to happen. And then what is going to happen next? Basically water will be given. We will learn all this later. Okay, oxidation, reduction, similar to oxidation, but now, okay, it's going to be opposite. It's a removal of oxygen atom or gaining of hydrogen atom. So therefore, we always represent using the bracket hydrogen. Okay, we put a bracket, then we put the hydrogen over there.